When there's no more light that you can see, I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier. Don't be afraid, I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze. Don't look so sad, your crying eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like you. Like you. Like you.
Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'. What's up, everybody? Happy Wednesday, you guys. Happy Wednesday and happy Thursday to you because that's when you'll get this video. Oh my God, you guys. I am so freaking tired, y'all. I've been cooking all day. All right, so on the menu today is Jamaican curry chicken. I've actually made this before, but I hadn't made it for y'all. So, and rice and peas, which is actually beans and rice, but they call it rice and peas, and salad. And this is how they traditionally have it. Okay, this is what I was told on the internet now. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. All of you Jamaicans, okay? I love talking in my little Jamaican accent. I just love it. Anyway. Please start this video off with thumbsing it up. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. All right, and let's get started, y'all, because I am friggin' starving. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, the chicken is so freaking tender. Oh my God. Let me know if you've ever cooked Jamaican curry chicken. If you cooked it different than me, let me know how you cooked it. I actually got this recipe offline. Well, I used to just know how to cook it right offhand, but it had been such a long time. I had to look up a recipe like. God, it's so good. Let me get a thumbnail. Yeah, y'all, something simple, something real simple. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Y'all, I'm sweating. And it's not hot no more, y'all. It is freezing cold now. Like, yeah, boom. Yeah, it is freezing cold out here, y'all. I don't know what the hell is going on. I didn't show y'all how to make the beans because I haven't showed y'all how to make these beans before. So if you want to know how to make the beans, because they were made fresh, go to one of my Soul Food Sunday videos that have rice and beans in it, and I'll show you how to make it there. What has everybody been up to? What are y'all eating with me? Y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the Indian food video, y'all. That food was so good. It was ridiculous. Like, this chicken is so flavorful, y'all. It is seriously unreal. Freaking-licious. Delicious. And the salad is just my normal salad. It has a sesame ginger dressing on it, lettuce and tomatoes. Delicious. Do y'all want some? I know y'all want some. I'm just ignoring y'all. Oh, it just fought. I was about to give y'all this meat on this bone and it just fell off. I gotta catch it for y'all. I gotta catch it. That's where all the flavor is, right there on that bone, y'all. Right on that bone. Yeah, so I have a wing and a drumstick. So on this recipe, it just told me to put the chicken in the sauce raw without browning the chicken. And I usually brown it, but I just wanted to follow the recipe just the way it was. But next time I will definitely brown the chicken, because to me, there is a difference. It imparts more flavor when you brown the chicken. Yeah, y'all. And I got my strawberry lemonade today. And this is the Hawaiian punch juice, y'all. Y'all, it's frozen. Oh, is it frozen all the way through? It better not be, because it hadn't even been in there that long. Y'all, it is so good. That is, oh my God, delicious. Yeah, y'all, I ain't ate nothing all day. So hungry. Let me get y'all some before I eat it all. Y'all, this curry chicken. Yeah, and I skinned my my chicken. I think I already told y'all that before. But yeah. Take a yummy bite. Just Chicken yummy butt. Yes, right there, you guys. Ooh, I know y'all can't see it good, but cheers. I cannot wait to get a camera that autofocuses so I don't have to manually focus it. That's so annoying, y'all. I cannot wait to get a camera that does what I need it to do. I mean, this was okay for now, you know what I'm saying? But I gotta upgrade it. It needs to be upgraded, y'all. Yeah. My hair is still hanging on. This is what? The third day? Yeah, it's about the third day. I pinned it up on the side. So, yeah, we're working it out, y'all. We're trying to make it last forever and ever. Hey, don't let the style in. Oh, don't let the style in. Let me know who knows who sings it, the original, okay? Let me know in the comments. I already know who's gonna get it first. I have a feeling I know who's gonna get it first, but I'm not even gonna say. Because she might not. Y'all be careful of them daggone bones. My God. Now I should have got another piece of chicken. Because I done ran out of chicken, y'all. And I got all these rice and beans. Yummy for my tummy. Yummy. So goody, oody, oody. Gosh. I hope y'all enjoying y'all food like I'm enjoying mine. Yeah, y'all, so it is back cold again. It's like, I think it's like 50 degrees, but it's cold, okay? That's cold to us. It's been raining like crazy. I heard it's flooding in Houston, you know what I'm saying? Our garage kind of flooded a little bit, but I didn't see anywhere else where there was like any major floods or anything out here. But in Houston, it's flooding. So, yeah, y'all, let me know if it's flooding in your area. If you're in Houston, let me know if it's really bad, because I don't believe it's flooding where my parents are. But, I know a friend of mine put up a picture on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Links for everything. Oh, excuse me. To follow me on all of my social media will be in the description box. Also, did y'all go and check out my daughter's video? I have it in the description box if you want to go check it out. She does natural hair videos just like me. She just started her channel. Oh, excuse me. And I appreciate everybody who is supporting her. Oh, excuse me, this far. Delicious. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I tried a new lip color. It's not new actually. It's an old lip color. I just haven't worn it on here. Yeah, it's like a really, really dark, vampy red. It kind of goes with the shirt a little bit. I wonder why the Jamaicans call rice and beans rice and peas. Does anybody know that? I mean, I know I can Google it, but I'm here right now asking y'all. So, does anybody know why they call it rice and peas? I just want to know. And traditionally, what type of bean do the Jamaicans use for their rice and peas? Because I wasn't for sure. I just use a red bean, but I'm thinking maybe they use black beans. I don't know though. I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, y'all. So, y'all been so freaking busy today. Editing videos, cooking, like freaking working with Jaden. Oh my gosh. Howling and screaming because people not cleaning their room. Or doing what I asked them to do. Like, oh my God. Oh my gosh, juice is so good. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Beans and rice is getting me full, boy. Yeah, and shout out to OMG What. She asked me about, I think it was about 3 months ago, could I do curry chicken? And she kept asking. And all of a sudden, she just stopped asking. And I remembered. And I was like, let me do this daggone curry chicken for OMG What? And then I wanted some, too. I wanted something homemade. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had a craving for something homemade. Like, I needed, you know what I'm saying? Like, I couldn't eat out today at all. All right. God, so good. Oh, excuse me. All right. Let's see how much y'all like in the video. I do believe y'all are liking it. All right. A mukbang. Okay, here we go. Y'all, we have 104 thumbs up and 0 thumbs down. Can y'all believe that? Like, this is a record. Honestly, you guys. Like, haters, where are you? Where are you at? Or did everybody like it? Like, this is weird. I've never had this happen, y'all. 104 thumbs up and no thumbs down. Watch, somebody gonna go to the video just to thumbs it down. But I don't have any right now. So, oh, y'all, we just hit 16.3, you guys. Oh, my God. I'm so happy. All right, let's get started. All right. So, what's up, y'all? What you gotta say? Who's on the mic with Yummy Bites today? Let's see who is on the mic. All right. Ben Gonzalez is on the mic. He says, the Indians that told you that are wrong. I've been to India and the way they eat is they pick up the rice and lamb with the bread. Really? Man, when I tell you the last time I made a video of Indian food, that is exactly what I was doing. I was told in the comments that I was not supposed to do that. And then when I talked to them at the place, at the restaurant, they told me that I wasn't supposed to do that. So, I don't know. I really don't. So everybody else is agreeing too. So thank y'all so much for telling me. Marcelina Rosario says, I love when Jaden comes on your videos. What's up, Murder Show? Juana Mason says, hey, pretty lady, I have not tried Indian food yet because it is so expensive here, but I will soon after watching this. It made me hungry. I have seen other mukbangs with people eating Indian food, and I've seen them scoop the food up with the naan. Looks delicious. I know. Like, I know. I don't know. Marcelina Rosario says, hi girl, that Indian food looks really delicious. I tried Indian food once and I didn't like it, but ever since I have been watching you eat Indian food, I want to. Give it another try. I'll give it another try. I really like your outfit. How is the weather by you? Did it rain a lot where it flooded? Because Houston is flooded pretty bad. Love you, sis. Yes, it rained. It rained a lot here. And like I said, my garage flooded a little bit, but that's pretty much it. Like we don't get a lot of flooding and stuff out here. Like my garage flooded a little bit, and my yard, it floods. So I don't know what is going on. Shahir Khan says the green stuff is authentic sag is not spinach, it's mustard leaves. Oh, okay. Well, thank you for telling me. And whoever told you to eat like that is tripping. OMG, you dip the bread in it and eat. And that is how I naturally wanted to do it, is take the bread and eat it. Like, okay. Well, thank y'all. Okay. That's why I got y'all. Okay. Shahir Khan also says, sis, sag, OMG, it's pronounced sog. Sog, by the way. I'm so happy you tried it. Yay. And it was delicious, Shahir. Oh my God. It was so good. Like, I like that better than I think it's called biryani. That was the first dish I had when I had Indian food. But yeah, oh, it was so good. Fit Angie S says, hey sis, I love Indian food and especially naan bread. Vegetable samosas are so good, especially with garlic sauce. Yep, the lamb is eaten on the bread, no utensils, just the bread as a scoop. I've never had lamb sag before, but heard of it. Love you, girl. Love you too, girl. Girl, you gotta try it. You have to try it. It is delicious. Oh, excuse me. Erica Vila says, Hawaiian Punch is amazing and the food looks great. Your son, again, is so cute. Thank you so much. Shan IP says, hey, yummy, food looks good. Never had Indian food before, but I get to experience through you. So thanks for sharing. Love you, sis. Y'all really need to try Indian food. Like, I think people be sleeping on Indian food. Like, it is so good and so flavorful. Like, if you like flavorful food, you will love Indian food. I won't say that you'll love every dish, but you will love the majority of it, like for real. MF says, I like how the family invited themselves. That's nice. Oh my gosh. Kathy Kim says, yummy. I really want some Indian food now. I love that flatbread and the samosas. I'm going to be watching videos all day because it's so rainy and windy outside. The weather is just blah. I know what you mean, girl, because it's still raining out here. It's still raining. Lola Bochi says, LMAO at did you? Ha ha. Okay, I'm not sure. I got to go back to the video and see what you're talking about. Let's see. Hamza Bloxer says, is it weird that when I see people wearing lipstick, it instantly reminds me of Lay's salt and vinegar chips? You want to know, is that weird? Kinda. I wonder why. How does that correlate with each other? I don't know. I guess it's not, because there's a lot of things that I think, that y'all would think was absolutely ridiculous. The Life of Hope +1 says, y'all seem so cool and down to earth. You and your boyfriend too cute together. Your son's so handsome. I freaking love your YouTube channel. Thank you. You are so sweet, girl. Tracy says, is that bread off the grill or something? Murder Show was seriously eyeing your non. Yes, it is off the grill. Yes, it is. It is delicious too. Oh my gosh, it's so good, y'all. More carbs. Michelle says, hey girl, love your shirt and you. Oh, thank you so much. Love you too. How sweet. Black Beauty TV says, now I gotta pick on you, Yummy. From watching your other mukbangs, I know you must have your napkins. I'm dying laughing because it shows how it's killing you not to have it. So all you can do is keep shaking your hands. So you noticed it was so uncomfortable. I was like, oh my God. That is so funny how some of y'all notice certain things that, oh my God, that's so funny. Anyway, Fonda Felipe says, love watching your videos and you look so beautiful rocking your natural hair. Thank you. It seems like everybody likes my natural hair more than the wigs. That is so funny. Oh my gosh. Black Beauty TV says, yeah, the non-bread, us pretty much it's pretty much your utensil. Yeah. It was supposed to be. But I didn't know. I'm like, oh my God. Anyway, Amanda Louise says, you need to get some mango chutney to eat with your curry. Yum. Mango chutney? Never even heard of that. Never heard of it. Pretty lady says, I promise, pretty lady, I will be eating me some Indian food. Keep smiling. Aww. And let me know how you like it after you eat it. Deanna Battle says, great vid. I love lamb, but never had this dish. Can you tell me if you tasted cinnamon or anise on the meat or sauce? You know you are hilarious. Reading comments, your expressions and the okay. LOL. Oh my God, I'm running out of battery. Okay, cinnamon, no cinnamon. No cinnamon, and I don't believe there was any anise, because I know exactly what you're talking about. I know exactly, because those are like the perfumey like scents. But no, not in this dish, not in this one. That's exactly what Murder Show doesn't like about the Indian food. He doesn't like those types of spices. But what I had didn't have that. At least it didn't taste like it. Rachel 101 says, love your hair. I wish I had your hair. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Girl, no, you don't wish. I'm trying to tell you. Nicole Blue says, I was eating spaghetti. Yummy. Ash Gomez says, OMG, this looks so good. I definitely have to try Indian food now. LOL. Love you, girl. Love you, too. Oh, excuse me. Snack Saloon says, it's been a while since I watched your videos. They are so cool. Oh, thank you so much. And welcome back. Tay Idol says, I always wanted to try Indian food, but I just didn't know what to order. So now I'm going to try this because it looks so good. Please order. It is really, really good. I really recommend that dish. For real. Sharice Hansen says, OMG, that's good. That's good. Looks so good. You be making my stomach growl. LOL, but I love your hair. Thank you so much. Thank you. Erica L says, yummy. Tyler Yates says, I've never had Indian food before. Go try it. Osayama Osa says, hey, Yummy Bites, you're so pretty. Thank you so much. Ava Miller says, that looks so good. I'm hungry now. Yes, that's the whole point, y'all. Mia White says, notification gang. What's up, y'all? All right, so that is the last comment. All right, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all worked really hard on that dinner, y'all, for real. Please thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. Everyday videos. All right, and I will see you guys on tomorrow. Peace. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love y'all. Bye.